Hi, this delivery came in this morning. I've got two boxes. This is from Indemand Toys. The other box here is from Star Action Figures. So I'm glad they came at the same time. And yeah, so weather's not that great. So Indemand Toys. I think they got a sale on some stuff. I go to London Film and Comic Con, MCM. I need to go to, maybe London Film and Comic Con, but it's like 20 quid. 10 years ago, it was like 7 quid to get in, 8 quid. And the same with the MCM, that was about 8 quid. Now it's 20, 25 now, something like that. So, yeah. But, I wouldn't mind going to the London Film and Comic Con, I think. The first thing we got is this one. This one was full price. I think it's actually, this one might be on sale. This is the Tuscan Warrior. I know that American fella, what's his name? The American guy that does all the prices and the grading stuff. What's his name? Action figure grader. He likes this card. I do as well. Very nice. I think this one's $12.99. It's VC279. I want to get all of these ones. Cassian Andor, Darth Vader. Definitely got to get the Vader. Don't need to. I've already got the original Rike. Clone Captain Hauser. I might be getting this one as well. In this box, should be in there. So this one was $12.99. I'm pretty sure. Beautiful card. This one was full price. This is Cal Kestis. I remember when I was at Star Wars Celebration, I was with this... I was at Forbidden Planet with... what's that guy? I think he calls himself Only One Kenobi. Yeah, it was with him and... only joking. I think he just acquired this one, so... At Forbidden Planet... We looked at this one at Forbidden Planet. It's VC265. Out of these ones, I need that one's tough to get. Valsartha, Cartoonian Raider. They had all of these on sale at Indemand, but they all sold out. Because I wouldn't mind. I think this guy's pretty cool. Vader, Dark Times. I got him. I wouldn't mind that Luke. Cassian. I think I've got those two so far, plus now this one. 265. Figure looks pretty cool. It's got quite a baby face, really. Long little pistol there. Lightsaber, the little robot. Unlit lightsaber hilt. Pretty cool figure. Nice card image there. So I've got those two. I can see on the... Tuscan Warrior, there's a little bit of... there. But often it's when they're packed, So I've got those two so far, not bad. Then something Black Series now. Had to grab this one. This was £10. This is a deluxe figure, 10 quid for this. It's a work of art, this figure. It's Saw Gerrera Rogue One. This figure is just amazing. Look at that. Great artwork on the box. Saw Gerrera is bunkered on the ancient world of Jeddah, coordinating a prolonged insurgency against the Imperial occupation. His ailing health does not little to wither his resolve to fight. But that's a great figure. I've got the 3.75 version of this figure, and that was great, even though it's limited articulation. This is just such an amazing piece, really. Here's another figure. Clone Captain Hauser. Again, a little bit of how fussy we are. I think this one was $12.99 as well. Clone Trooper Hauser. That's the Bad Batch. He's VC210. Yeah, pretty cool. So those are the 3 vintage collection figures. Is there anything else? There is something else in here. Oh my gosh, it's in the box. It's the what do you call it? There's the 3 vintage collection figures. It's the credit collection, I believe it should be. Yep. So I've opened that. This is the Mandalorian. It's the credit collection Quill or Kill Quill. This is £5 at Indemand, bargain. Very nice looking figure. Great card. It's a little blaster. £5 for this, what a bargain. So that's my in-demand haul. So we've got this figure, carded, Quill. I quite like these figures, especially when they're not very affordable. £5 for a smaller, a more diminutive figure. Looks pretty good. So yeah, not bad. So I got him for £5. This for £10. He was $12.99, I believe. Carol Kestis was $15.99. I mean, I just got this one because I wanted to make it over £50 for free postage. And Tusken Raider, great card there. Figure looks great as well. So that's my in-demand unboxing, and I mean, it might be worth checking out what they've got on sale. Anyway, cheers, goodbye.